Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Unit 11. Who, what, plus be. In today's lesson, we will learn how to use who and what. Basically, who and what, they are question words. They are called WH words, so they are used to ask questions. So first of all, we look at what. Observe example A, please. What is this? It's a pen. So it means that in this question, what is this, you're asking about a thing. So when we want to ask about a thing, so we use what. Observe B. Who is that? That's Mr. Ali. So when you say who, it means that you're asking about a person. So when you want to ask about things, you should use what. And when you want to ask about people, you should use who. So you cannot, in example A, you cannot say who is this, because you are asking about a thing. So when you are asking about a thing, you should use what. And who, you can, here in example B, you cannot use what, because you are asking about a person, a man. So you cannot say what is that. It's wrong. So you should say who is that. So as simple as that, just remember what is used to ask about things and who is used to ask about people. Who and what and the rest of the WH words, they are always used before be or helping verbs, as you must have learned this thing in where plus be. In previous unit we did where plus be, how to use where, how to tell locations. Now we are learning who and what, and these are also WH words. So all of the WH words, they're always used before be or helping verbs. Now we look at the singular and plural stuff, how to use what and who with singular and plural. When you are asking about one thing or one person, so you will use singular verb with what or who. For example, A. What is this? It's a pen. So you are asking about one thing. When you are asking about one thing, you should use singular verb after what. Here you cannot use what are this, because you're talking about one thing. So when you're talking about one thing, you should use singular verb. Example B, you can see who is he. So it means that you're asking about one person, one man. So who is he? Here you cannot say who are he. You're asking about one person. So when you're asking about one person, you should use who is he. He is Ali. Now we look at plural form, how to use WH words or who or what with plural verbs. So what are those? They are pens. It means that you're asking about more than one thing. When you're asking about more than one thing, so you should use plural verb after what. In example B, who are those boys? So who are those boys? They are students. Here you are using are after who, because you are asking about more than one boy. So when you are asking about more than one person, so you are going to use plural verb, or if you are asking about more than one thing, you are going to use plural verb after what and who. Now we look at contractions, how to contract the who and what with be. Who is equal to whose, and what is equal to what's. So the contraction of who is whose, and the contraction of what is what's.